Suno is back with a new feature they are calling samples, which gives you the ability to take sections of a song or recording and weave it into a whole new track. Let me show you how to access this. There are several methods to start creating a sample. The first one is to go to audio, click on audio, and you can either upload an existing audio file or you can click record to start recording yourself playing an instrument or singing. The next method is to find a song in your library, hover over it, and you're going to see a remix/edit button. Clicking on it, you can scroll down and then you can click on sample this song. And the other option is clicking the three dots, hovering over remix edit, and then clicking on sample this song. Whichever method you choose, once you've selected the audio, it will be added to the create column. There will be a sample button next to mashups. I talked about mashups in a previous video. With the clip loaded, you're going to have this pink box over it. You can actually grab the sides to scale up or trim it any way you wish. And then if you grab it, you can see that changes into a hand signal. You can then grab it. When it comes to clipping audio, Suno actually recommends clipping at least 30 to 60 seconds of audio. This provides Suno with more creative freedom to pull out the best parts of the audio clip that you want to sample. And you can do under 15 seconds or less, and that will instruct Suno to focus on that specific part of the clip. More about that later in the video. You can still add your own lyrics in the same way as you've always been doing when making songs. And then in styles, much like mashups, Suno pulls the song genre out of the clip, and you can see it here grayed out. There's nothing stopping you from writing in what kind of style you want the song to be. If you want the new song to have the same audio style as the audio clip, just leave it blank. Under advanced options, one of the pro tips that's recommended is if you want to hear more of your sample in the final output, it's recommended to turn the style influence slider down a bit and increase the audio influence so it's just above it. Here's a couple of songs that I made using a bunch of different samples from older songs. The first one I'll play you for the original is a hip hop beat. Take a listen. And then I turned it into a roots reggae song. Take a listen.
Everyone knows, no one knows where our sacred garden goes. But everyone goes, no one stays here. My true north, the purpose for being born.
This next song that I sampled has a kind of a psychedelic rock vibe to it. Take a listen. And then I turned it into a talking bluesy kind of a song.
And it's true I can't afford it, but if I could, I'd buy a place with trees and space, that's all. A small wooden house with a green dome, but I can't get a mortgage, and I can't pay the rent. With what they pay, it won't go far.
For this next one, I'm intentionally using a sample that's less than 15 seconds. It's going to be about 8 seconds total. This one has kind of a funky vibe to it. and then I turned it into an R&B song. Here it is.
Can I get a taste of your lips or your skin, baby? Can I get a sip of that look on your face when I leave you in a state in the sheets? Ain't no such thing as sin, it's just love. Don't let it be in vain. All this distance, and I can't get away from you. I've been distant, but I'm back in your arms. Love is dizzy, ooh, it makes me sick every time we touch, baby. It's like, oh my God, like what is this? I've been waiting, I've been patient for a love like this. Oh my God, like what is this?
If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to get more creative with AI tools, I have content available that you can click on right here.